Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to factory reset Hisense Roku TV. Press Home. Scroll to Settings and press OK. Scroll to System and press OK. Scroll to Advanced System Settings and press OK. Select Factory Reset and press OK. Select Factory Reset Everything and press OK. Enter the code shown on screen, then select OK and press OK. The Hisense Roku TV will now reset to defaults and restart. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.